to the first episode of The Voice of TIUs. I'm your host Eva, and today we are looking at how we learn. We have all sat in classrooms where the teacher talks and we listen. But in an alpha classroom, things are looking completely different. So we have four wonderful panelists here with us today. Miss Adya, Miss Akshara, Miss Weatherby, and Miss Shreya. Welcome to the podcast. So my first question for you is, describe what a typical lesson feels like to someone who has never experienced it before. Miss Shreya, would you like to try it?
Yes. Like honestly, there's an immediate shift in energy. Instead of a quiet room facing a blackboard, it's a bustling environment where we are already grouped.
Well, I would like to add something to it. But I feel that we don't wait for lectures, we just dive into the material straight together. We feel that we are in a workshop where we are the ones who are doing the work.
That does sound incredibly dynamic. Our school focuses a lot on the PATH model of learning, making learning purposeful, active, transformative, and holistic. So, which letter of PATH stands out to you the most during a lesson and why?
For me, it's active. Like I understand a maths concept better when I have to explain it to my pair, like right sitting next to me.
Weatherby, what do you think about
Well,
this?
for me, it's transformative. I used to be very shy to raise my hand in the class, right? But now I can just raise my hand and ask questions as many times as I want. I know that I won't be judged for it.
That safety to make mistakes is so crucial. In our classrooms, we follow an inquisitive approach, which means we compare with our own past results, not with each other. So, moving on, how does it feel to focus on your own growth rather than checking what marks your neighbor got?
So it really changes everything, and we are genuinely happy for each other's progress.
Adya, what do you think about this?
Thank you, Eva. So honestly, I think that my only goal is to do better than I did yesterday, because it takes away so much of unnecessary stress.
That is a huge shift. But let me ask you this. If the students are the ones driving the lesson, what is the teacher doing during an alpha session?
Well, that's the most asked question in alpha process. So our galvanizers are like guide on the side, not the sage on the stage. They roam around the room, they listen to our discussions and help us whenever we are stuck.
Adya?
So actually, I feel like they don't just give us the answers directly, but they challenge us to think deeper, So this is how we figure out our own problems on our own.
So it's much more than just textbook lessons, I think.
Exactly.
Apart from learning the textbook lessons faster, what real world skills do you think you are building through this collaborative way of learning?
Well, for me, it has to be definitely teamwork and active listening, because you have to really hear what your partner is trying to say. And trust me, these skills we'll use everywhere, not just in our schools.
And if you ask me, I would definitely say problem solving and public speaking. Because somewhere or the other, I feel like we are building confidence every single day just by, talking through these problems and discussing with our peers.
Teamwork, confidence, and joyful learning. That is what the Alpha Path is all about. A huge thank you to our wonderful panelists and to all our listeners. Until next time,
Let's keep collaborating.
Keep growing.
And always try to do better than you did yesterday.
all the best.